What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you ain't, like I said, welcome back. Today you already read the title, so you already know what I'm doing. I am following Dearra's makeup tutorial. If you know me, then you already know I'm obsessed with Dearra. I've been riding with her for like 8 years strong. Shout out Dearra. We love Dearra over here. This is a new series that I'll be introducing to my channel, which is me following other people's makeup tutorials because I do not know how to do my makeup, girl. I don't know what it is. It just never turns out right. So in this series, I'll be learning how to do my makeup through other people's YouTube channels, TikTok trends or hacks, anything like that. So if you have any makeup tutorials or TikTok hacks that you want me to try, go down in the comments down below and make sure you let me know about it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let me start by saying my products are cheap. I watched this video already because, like I said, I'm obsessed with Dearra, so I'm gonna stay tuned and I'm gonna stay updated with the latest motherfucking videos. I seen her rocking like expensive stuff like Mercier or something. I don't know what I saw in there, but it was a brand. It was a high luxury brand. And I'm like, boo, I most definitely went to Dollar Tree to get this. I won't be using the exact same products that she's using in this video, but I will be using the ones that I already have. Let's figure out what the first step is in her video.
The first thing I do before I start putting on freaking makeup is moisturize my face. And this is the moisturizer I use. It is the Pond's.
Got my Pond's. This is probably the only product that I have that she has. This actually do work good on my skin because I have dry skin. I have really dry skin. It don't matter how much moisturizer I put on my face, at the end of the day, something is gonna be flaking. It's gonna be ashy. And it gets on my nerves. Like, why can't I just have the dewy look? Why can't I walk around with my skin glowing like a dolphin's? Now that I moisturize my face, we're gonna listen to what the next step is.
Since I already have lashes, I jump right into my eyebrows. And I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color dark brown. I don't like putting product in the front, like only probably a little bit, or like I do strokes, but I don't really like putting makeup in the front.
So the next step she does is brushes out her eyebrows and eyelashes. I just have my, well, I didn't get them done, I did it myself. If you want to see how I did these, go over to that video. It's linked in the description. So yeah, next she does her eyebrows. I'm gonna be using, like y'all care, this is the pencil I'm gonna be using. This one comes with a spoolie and an eyeliner team. You know I don't know what I'm doing. This is one thing I usually do. I usually fill in the tail of my eyebrow. And she says just fill in the end of your eyebrow. So that's what I usually do anyway, because we don't want boxy eyebrows. Like, we don't do that over here. Nobody does that.
Hi, sisters.
My eyebrows are thick, so I hope it don't look like James Charles by the end of this.
So this is the concealer I use on my under eyes, chin, nose, and I also use this under my eyebrows. And like I said, I don't put it on the top. I know some people put it on top.
Okay, so the foundation I have, I don't even know if it matches me. Okay, look, I be doing a whole bunch of science in here. Okay, call me Dexter because I be in here mixing. My light with my foundation, with some contour, with whatever I got, boo, and I make it work. This is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline, dang, can I say it? My Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 340. And I feel like this is already lighter than me, so I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this Maybelline concealer that I have. I'm gonna see if this gives what it's supposed to give. I'm gonna mix it with this. Mix it together. And I think this is light. I think this is light enough to go under my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna put this under my brow. Okay, I feel like this is mad light. Is this good, y'all? This good? Am I eating? Am I eating or what? Like, I look like I know what I'm doing so far. So we're gonna see what the next step is.
So next step after that, after I conceal, I go in and it's weird that I skip this step before I do my brows, but this is my primer I use. It's the one I like because it's so, when I say it's so...
Y'all, I don't have my primer. Hold on, I'm gonna go look for it.
24 hours later.
So, do you think me not having primer is gonna mess up the whole makeup tutorial?
Yeah.
We're gonna cautiously move on.
And sometimes I skip primer, sometimes.
Okay, this is sometime, okay? It's something Dearra said she do, so this is sometimes, and let's just pretend that she skipped primer in this video. There we go, see?
My face, I go in with my concealer, the same shade I used under my brows, and it have dark marks here and there. And so I just conceal it before I end up putting on my foundation, letting it dry a little bit.
Okay, so now she going in with the same concealer we used under our brows, and we're gonna put it on any dark marks. So wait, did she already blend her damn eyebrows out? Oh my god. Okay, is it blended? Is it giving blended? So far so good. Now we're back on track. She said she's gonna put the concealer on dark marks, so this is where most of my dark marks are. I don't know if these are dark marks or freckles, because like they've never went away. Like there've been a couple pimples, I get pimples somewhere and like they'll go away or whatever, but like when I look back, these have always been here. Maybe they're freckles, I don't really know. Now that I have concealer on my dark marks, I'm gonna go figure out what the next step is.
So once that is dried up, I end up going in with my foundation. I like applying my foundation with a makeup brush, but I only like blending it with a beauty blender.
So now that it's dry, I'm gonna blend it out with this little brush like she did. The foundation I'm gonna use is the same one I showed y'all earlier, the Fit Me, the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me, what is this? The Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 57 Walnut, because like I said before, my foundation barely matches me. So what we're gonna do is try to make it work, because every time I try to go in with this foundation, I end up looking white. And I don't like it. We're gonna see if this matches, and we're gonna blend it with my neck. I think that's a pretty good match. What do y'all think? So that's my concealer, that's my foundation color. I think I did the damn thing. So she says she like applying it with a brush and then blending it with a beauty blender. So I'm gonna apply this with my brush.
So once my makeup is blended, I do my concealer again, and this is under my eyes. So I go in with the shade 10, and I only do this a little bit. Like I don't use a lot because this is really light.
Okay, so I have one that's really light. This one is probably really light. Let me just fix this before things get out of hand. Let's just do this, right? Let's do this, right? Boom, boom, boom. Hear me out. Maybe I just messed it up. Sitting in here trying to play Picasso with the damn makeup. I don't know why I decided that taking my hair out was a good idea. So now I can't put it back in the bowl because I had this makeup on my hand. So anyway, she goes in with a light concealer and she puts it in the inner corner. So that's blended. It's blended. Okay, it's hard. It's hard to heal. So we're gonna see what the next step is.
And when it comes to contour, I use eyeliner. So I just ended up doing an eyeliner pencil, just drawing it on my nose, and then I blend it out when I blend my nose.
Okay, so that's kind of a good tip because I don't have a nose bridge. So every time that I try to go in and contour my nose, it don't really look right. I was just like, yeah, I don't think this is how it's supposed to look. So maybe an eyeliner pencil is a good tip. Let's see what the next step is.
And for my sides, I use by Mario, and I love this because it has the stick and it also has the brush.
Okay, so I don't have stick foundation, but I do have this. And it's concealer, not contour. So I'm gonna go over it with this lighter concealer that I have, just in case it try to do too much, you know. Put that on a little bit more. If I just had the right shit, this wouldn't be so hard. Dotted it around here as well, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, it's given. This is harsh, very harsh, so do this real quick. Okay, so she says she blends the contour in first before she blends the concealer, and I feel like we on the right track. I really just don't even know anymore. Now I'm gonna go in and blend this. I promise y'all, I do not know what I'm doing, but why Dearra kind of got me looking right. Okay, maybe I ate. I feel like it's giving.
Is my powder, and I use two different ones. I use Fenty Beauty, and I also use the Dearra one as well.
Yeah, that's what I saw her using, Laura Mercier. I'm like,
Spare change. Spare change.
I have the Maybelline Fit Me once again in the shade 30 Deep, and then I have Maybelline Fit Me. Oh, actually, this is the only one I have. I had another powder that was actually lighter than this, but I don't have it with me.
Just dab under my eyes, under my cheeks, like below where I did my contour, on my nose, my forehead, upper lip.
She says she just takes a beauty blender, put it in her, and then dab it under her eyes. And she says she take a lot of this, so. Y'all don't even want to know the mess that is my bathroom right now. I feel nasty. I'm ready to take this off. I feel like I failed, but we just gonna keep going and see what the next step is.
So once that is done, I let that sit until after I do a little of my powder contour. It is the same brand that I use for my eyebrows.
I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match in the shade C8, and I should probably use a sturdier brush to do this, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna use this brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the other powder that I have, which is in the shade W8, and I'm gonna clear this off my face. Pray that this looks good. Lord have mercy, y'all don't even want to know what this is looking like up close.
But this is the under eye pen I use, and I just go under, and I like to use a lot, so I kind of go over it multiple times.
So now we have black eyeliner under the eye. I can't find mine, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, so I did eyeliner under my eyes now, and now we're gonna see what the next step is.
For my lips, like I said, this is my favorite part. These are the two lip liners.
I'm gonna be using my eyebrow pencil, and I usually do this when I line my lips. This is one thing I know how to do. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss. I just look so ugly. I don't like this. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Driver. I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lips. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I got my hair some type of way, some type of form, and yeah. I realized that I'm not going to do anything to my hair because I look a hot mess and there's no point of even trying. This is the end result. I feel like I look ugly. I feel like I look cake face. We have some technical difficulties, so if I sound a little different, I'm sorry. But I feel like it's my foundation, like I said, me not knowing how to do what I need to do. It's on the verge of looking like it could look good, but I just feel like it's a no. Maybe it's me. Nah, it's ugly. So this is the end results. We're gonna have a little montage. So we just gonna cut that right there because that was just nasty. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what I messed up. Tell me what I did wrong. Give me some makeup tutorials that I should follow down in the comments because I just need help. Do not blame Dearra for how this video turns out because I do not know what I'm doing and I was going off track. So support your girl because I need help. I need a shoulder to lean on right now because look at this. I'll see y'all next time. Got a plan, trying to get out of set like every man. Yeah, you know man. You know me and you understand. You know me inside. Got a plan. Criminal.